You're watching the New Jersey Morning Show. I'm Cara DeFalco. Meteorologist Mike Favetta is here with a look at the tropics because it's hurricane season and there's always something brewing down there.
There is always something brewing, and we are in the crosshairs here, I think, on the East Coast for the potential of some landfalling storms. Usually we see in late July and early August down in the Caribbean and toward the Atlantic Basin, some systems pop up, and you can see these are just dissipating to nothing. So there's no regions other than that little yellow one there in the Pacific that the National Hurricane Center is pointing out of note. You can also look at water temperatures, and they are well into the 80s with that dark shade of orange and red there along the Gulf Coast. So there's plenty of fuel for hurricanes. What's preventing that is this kind of anti-fuel. It's the Saharan dust, and it's all of that dust in the atmosphere that reflects the sun's energy and really prevents any storms from forming. That's probably why it's so quiet now, as that even spreads out toward the Gulf of Mexico there and the Caribbean. One thing I mentioned last week, and I'll point it out again, is that the statistical peak of hurricane season really is toward the middle of September, say September 10th. So while, yes, we should be seeing more storms quickly, anticipate them toward August and into September, we really see the peak ramp up as we head toward really early fall. If you're heading toward the beaches, why not enjoy a fantastic beach afternoon both days here in New Jersey, Saturday and Sunday. But here's an important note. If you plan to go swimming in the ocean, there has been this phenomenon known as upwelling, bringing the cooler waters up to the surface. That's chilly. It's a 55-degree water temperature out in the ocean. Very cool. However, you can enjoy warmer water temperatures in the bays, for instance. Out toward the Barnegat Bay, we've got a great boating forecast. Waves 1 to 3 feet on the bay. No weather alerts this week, and high tide at 7:14. We've got all the details of what you need to know coming up with the 7-day forecast. Stay tuned for that. It's up next.
Leave it to the Jersey Shore. We've had like 4 heat waves in a row and the water is still freezing.
Freezing.
Only here. I swear, this place is special for sure. Thanks, Mike.